I think that for this question, all that's required is that we know how to take a pair of coordinates and plot them on the xy coordinate plane. What I recommend is that we take our yellow scratch pad and draw an xy coordinate plane and then plot -3 on there, and then also plot 1, -3 on, and then see where on this coordinate plane would be all of the different points that are equidistant from these 2 points. And what I'm realizing is that if I'm anywhere on the vertical line passing through x equals -1, then I'm exactly halfway between the 2 given points. So I can rephrase this question to ask, is the x coordinate of point R equal to -1? Because if it is, then the answer is yes, and if it isn't, then the answer is no. Looking at the statements, statement 1 tells us exactly what we wanted to know, but statement 2 on its own doesn't allow us to infer the x coordinate of point R, and therefore I'm going to go ahead and pick answer choice A and move on to the next question.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.